Me and money go together. Loved us since I first met.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike. So today I want to do a video with this Pyle Power subwoofer. It's the PLPW8 subwoofer. In this video I want to see how much excursion we can get out of the subwoofer and how much power it can really take. It says it's rated to handle 800 watts. I highly doubt we'll get anywhere near that. I highly doubt the subwoofer could even handle 200 watts RMS, but I have the Smd Amm-1. It's a multimeter with a dyno feature here, so we can see really how much power this Pyle subwoofer can handle. I'm going to be using a subwoofer break-in sweep. Also, I have the Rockford Fosgate T2500, and that's more than enough power for this Pyle subwoofer to go to its absolute maximum. And just for fun, I'm gonna see how much power it can take before it can take no more and go up in smoke. So I'm gonna turn the SMD on. I'm gonna go to the dyno power. Or actually, let's do real-time power first, and let's see what we get there. And there it went. Says it only took 4,219 watts to kill it, but I know that's not true. It died around 356 watts RMS. So there you go, the Pyle Power subwoofer. All right, next up is going to be the Boss subwoofer, and we're going to see how much power it can take. All right. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.